Okay, hindi to fast drills, kundi very fast drills. Philippine heroes and their pen names. So, Rizal, Laong Laan, Dimasalang, Agno. Yes, verified po yung Agno. P. Jacinto, ito yung ginamit niya sa Memoirs of a Student in Manila. At saka yung J. Rizal, yun daw yung gamit niya sa mga earlier works niya before Noli Me Tangere. Okay? Marcelo H. Del Pilar, Plaridel, Pudpo, Dolores Manapat, and Piping Dilat, Graciano Lopez Haina, Diego Lora, Andres Bonifacio, my favorite, May Pag-asa, Agapito, Bagong Bayan, Antonio Luna, Taga Ilog, okay? Emilio Jacinto, Dimasilaw, Tingkian, at saka Pinkian. Okay, so ginagamit din yung T. Okay, Emilio Aguinaldo, Magdalo, Apolinario Mabini, wow, Bini, at Katabay. Mariano Ponce, Tikbalang, Naning, Satanas, or Kalipulako. Okay, so yung pinaka, favorite ko ng, ng pen name. Cool kasi, alright? And Juan Luna, Cebuan. Okay, yan. And Jose Maria Panganiban, pinakamahirap talaga to, Jomapa. Okay, till next time.